Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, but you can open up almost any kind of application and capture a screenshot in it. Now once you have your content open and visible, simply press and hold power key and volume down. You will have a sound along with the pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will just disappear. There we go. Now once it disappears, you can find your screenshot in the Photos application. And in here you want to navigate to Library and then Screenshots. And here you'll find obviously all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. And here's the one that I have captured on the video. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.